it's me, Prettywitty77, coming to you guys today with a transitioning hair favorites video. Of course, these are the products that I just sit back and I look at today like, where would I be today without you? So if you're interested in seeing what these products are, then definitely keep watching. Now, I'm finna hit y'all with these products, but they're in no particular order. I felt that I need to just slam dunk y'all in the head with a shampoo first. And it is the Talia YG's Green Apple and Aloe shampoo. I've been using some shampoos since the beginning of time, but since the very first 5 seconds that this product touched my hair, and it's almost gone. I done dropped it in the shower, the top done broke, but guess what? I still find a way to get this shampoo out of here. It was just pretty evident that when it touched my hair, y'all, like it was the better product for my transitioning hair. And it not only makes my natural part of my hair feel good, but it also doesn't get my like chemically processed part. It don't do it too bad. It just make everything feel good at the same time. It smells good. I feel like this collection that they have, you can only order it online at this time, but because somebody asked, could I order it off of Amazon? I would probably just go to the website and order it. It's so creamy and so moisturizing. It's a fave. I feel like y'all knew this was coming, like Eco Styler. In this one in particular, the black castor and flaxseed one, it's moisturizing, it's affordable. It just really sets any kind of twist out braid out. This is a braid out, by the way. 2 French braids, you know, I just let it run wild. But this gel, the slick back that it gives, you know, I don't even have to do it that much in advance and I still get the exact same slick back. Like, not a pimp name slick back, but you know, slick back, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of self-explanatory. Now this little jar of crack gives my hair the business. First off, Naturally Smitten is a black owned company. This product is so rich. It's a butter, and I know good and well that I got this from Sally Beauty. I got this from Sally Beauty well over a year ago. Like, I know good and well, and I still have about a little bit left. This product can last me several more months. Like, what more do you want from me? What more do you want from Naturally Smitten? The first 3 ingredients are shea butter, coconut oil, and castor oil. It's a really thick butter. You put it in your hand, it melts, and it really keeps my hair moisturized. It smells good. Y'all, if you want to order this product, you probably have to go straight to the website. They used to sell it in Sally Beauty, but I think they stopped selling it there. I still got the jar, but I did order a backup online, so just go to the website, boo. It's not fraudulent. If you want to try it out, go to the website. But yes, I really love this product when I'm in need of that like emergency, like, oh, I need some moisture real quick. This moisturizing hair butter, the biz and last but definitely not least, this Main Choice leave-in. It's a cuticle control leave-in lotion. I've tried several Main Choice products on my transitioning hair. A lot of them were just like, okay. It did give me a CPR moment, but this product, let me just break it down to y'all. It's 2 things that I have the hardest trouble finding. 2 products. It's deep conditioner and leave-ins. I have the hardest time finding me a really good leave-in. Why do my hair be bougie and want to like this $10+, $12+ product? I have no idea. But I put this on my hair when it's freshly washed, clean, wet. I put this on my hair and it really makes my hair feel like butter. I wish it was a little bit thicker, but it's a little thin, and I wish more than 8 ounces came in the jar. It's a little thin, but it makes my hair so soft. And it kind of makes me sad because it's so expensive. So I be trying to like use a little bit at a time, but I just really wish that this came like in a jar, something with a pump, because at this point in my life, this ancient Egyptian line, this leave-in from their line really makes my hair feel really, really good. Like, it just does. Now that I think about it, this is probably my favorite Main Choice product, period. Now, I'm gonna throw water in there as number 5 as an honorable mention. When my hair just needs a quick picker-upper, a refresher. Getting in that shower and washing my hair just with a quick rinse out, conditioner and water, this H2O, my hair loves it. Even when I'm in a rush and I don't have time to really style my hair, spritz, 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 slap on some moisturizer, a little gel on the top, and my hair is like, it gets a quick little facelift, you know, hair lift or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, don't let water be no stranger. So yeah, those are the top 5 products that make my transitioning hair feel really, really good at the moment. I hope that they don't change as I, you know, get rid of my processed ends. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. What you waiting on, sis? What you waiting on? I love to see you guys back here again. And I'm rocking this braid out, huh? I'm rocking this braid out. Even though you can see these straight ends, you know, they straight, but I keep them clean and tough, you know what I'm saying? As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.